One touch could branch out eternally like a time bomb. I'm reaching double infinity like it's my fault. Just look into my soul endlessly with the lights on. You'll keep returning to visit me when I'm long gone. One touch, I think I remember it all my life now. Don't stop remembering, keep me up in your lights, wow. At this point it doesn't matter the reason why or how. The result is all you need. The journey is dead to me. Dead as I talk, dislocate my jaw, dribble any words, convey any thought. I would clear my mind, but I just can't stop. I did so many things, now your life's my fault. Cannibal your losses, no I did for a double year now. Can you see when the evil tempts me? Sweet revenge, the blood I'm tasting on my friends, to the flavor greatly, even after the lines incorrectly drawn. I still love it so much, that's why I'm singing this song.